Welcome. Today we are going to give a tutorial on how to assemble the Big Kahuna. Every set contains 3 pieces: main container, bottom insert, and plastic bag. First, open the main container. Next, we will construct the top of the box. Fold in both handles. Then fold the top flap to hold the handles in place. Now, fold the larger flap, locking it into the slit lock. Complete the process by latching the last flap into the slit lock. Next, remove the foil from the dispenser valve. Then loosen the fill cap and open the dispenser valve. Now pull the bag apart, allowing air in. Next, push the fill cap through the top opening of the main container. Then, push the dispenser valve through the side opening of the main container. Make sure both cap and valve are pushed all the way through. One side of the bottom insert will have fold lines. This is the bottom. Turn it over and fold on all of these spots. Next, stand the bottom insert up on the 3 largest flaps. Bracing the flaps, press downward with your thumbs to make the middle collapse. Squeeze the flaps together and fold across the new creases to make the new shape form. To insert in the main container, reach and grab the front side of the flaps. Flip the insert over. When placing in the box, make sure the smallest flap is on the same side as the dispenser valve. Push the bottom insert in all the way. To close the bottom of the box, fold the 2 smaller flaps in first, then the next smallest flap, then the largest flap. Then lock the latch. Finish by locking the smallest latch. Don't forget to close the dispenser valve before filling. This completes the assembly of the Big Kahuna. Happy servings!